Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today we are doing a fun potato salad side dish. It's got blue cheese and chives in it with a nice dressing. And it goes really well with any kind of deep dinner that has like a main dish, like chicken or beef or pork. It also makes for a great take along for like a get together or a holiday dish. So what I have done is I have boiled this morning. So we're a family of 4, so kind of base this off of how many people you plan on feeding. I have probably 1 large and I don't know, 6 or 7 medium to small to medium sized potatoes. I am using Yukon Gold potatoes today. You could use red potatoes. I like to use red potatoes a lot, or gold potatoes for potato salads, but I have boiled them and cooked them this morning. And then I put them into the refrigerator to let them cool. This is the key to a successful potato salad. Let your potatoes cool. That way they are not mushy when you are making your salad. And so I'm going to go ahead and quickly chop these up into, I call it forkable pieces. And then I'm going to put these into a big bowl, and then we'll work on our dressing. All right, so I have my potatoes all diced. I want to tell you, I leave my potato peels on. If you want to have your peels off, feel free before you chop your potatoes. Usually after you have boiled your potatoes and then chilled them, the peels will literally just come right off. That is a secret to peeling potatoes. Don't peel them before you cook them, peel them after. Anyhow, so we have these all here in our big bowl, and I'm gonna grab a smaller bowl to do our dressing. And I'm going to grab some sour cream, and we want about 3/4 cup. And I'm not going to use my measuring cup. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it here. And you want about 2 tablespoons of milk. And again, that might be a little bit more. It's okay. I'm eyeballing it. And then we are going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to grab some apple cider vinegar. We're going to do about 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. A little goes a long way with apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to mix this together. Feel free to use a whisk or a fork if you want to. I'm going to add in chives. Now, I grow chives in my garden. Use fresh chives if you can. If you have dried, that works as well. You want about a 1/4 cup or so. I have mine finely chopped, and I'm going to put them right into the dressing. Mix that in. And we're going to grab our blue cheese. And so I do this 2 separate steps with blue cheese. I'm going to do about a 1/4 cup into my dressing. Literally, it's like a handful. And I'm going to kind of smush and mash it together. This just adds the blue cheese flavor to the dressing, along with the chives. So that particular container of blue cheese was really fine crumbles, but if you open up your blue cheese and it's really big, this is why you're mashing it in, as if it's really big crumbles. Okay, I'm gonna grab my big bowl here. We're almost done already. Talk about easy potato salad. I'm gonna put in about a cup of chopped red onion. If you're looking for some other potato salad ideas, I've got a Greek potato salad recipe that's pretty tasty. And we're gonna go ahead and put our dressing right on in. I'm going to give this a little toss. Okay, now we're going to add in the rest of our blue cheese. And it's going to be about another half a cup or so. I think I might be just short of that, so I'm going to get into my second container. And we'll work those in. Love blue cheese. I have a really delicious homemade blue cheese salad dressing recipe for like a green side salad. If you like blue cheese, go check out that recipe. It's super easy to make and it's just yummy, yummy. Also goes good with like chicken wings. Okay, I'm gonna put this, grab the lid. Actually, I have a lid for this bowl, so I'm just gonna store it in the refrigerator until we are ready to have it with dinner tonight. So there we have our blue cheese chive potato salad. Thank you all so much for watching today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you get notified every time we have another super easy, yummy recipe your family will love.